Uh, PlayStation 4 Pro here. I was just reading up on some Final Fantasy 7 news here, and this is PSU.com. Just looking at some Final Fantasy 7 artwork and images, and look what I found down here. It appears that Final Fantasy 7 Remake is coming exclusively to PlayStation 4. I guess it's no longer coming to Xbox One or PC or whatever. It's an exclusive to the PS4, and I couldn't be happier. This is great news for PlayStation people in general, and this is just great news. It should only be on PlayStation because it was born on PlayStation, in my opinion. And I cannot wait to play this game. It looks awesome. I was kind of hoping for it to be released on PS5, but we'll see what happens. This looks like a PlayStation 5 game. It should be a PlayStation 5 game. It'll look better on PS5. But we'll see if they port it to PS5. We'll see. Just wanted to let you guys know this. PS4 Pro out.